Picture windows are a beautiful addition to any home, offering expansive views and allowing natural light to brighten your living space. Because they are fixed and designed for clarity and performance, keeping them in top condition is essential. For homeowners in Pasadena, proper maintenance ensures your picture windows remain efficient, attractive, and long-lasting. Here are some practical, customer-focused tips to help you care for your picture windows. One of the most important aspects of maintenance is regular cleaning. Picture windows are designed to showcase clear, unobstructed views, so keeping the glass spotless is key. Use a gentle glass cleaner and a soft cloth or squeegee to remove dirt, dust, and streaks. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could scratch the surface. In Pasadena, where outdoor elements like dust and pollen can accumulate, cleaning your windows every few weeks can make a noticeable difference. Don't forget to clean the window frames as well. Dirt and debris can build up along the edges, affecting both appearance and performance. Wipe down frames with a damp cloth and mild soap, paying attention to corners where buildup tends to collect. Keeping frames clean not only improves aesthetics but also helps prevent long-term wear. Inspecting the seals around your picture windows is another crucial step. Because these windows are fixed, their energy efficiency depends heavily on a tight seal. Over time, seals can wear down or crack, allowing air and moisture to enter. This can lead to drafts, higher energy bills, or even condensation between glass panes. Check for any visible gaps or damage and address issues early to maintain optimal performance. In addition to seals, it's important to check for signs of condensation. While occasional condensation may occur due to humidity, consistent moisture between panes can indicate a broken seal. If you notice this, it's best to consult a professional to prevent further issues and restore your window's efficiency. Another key maintenance tip is to inspect the surrounding structure. Look for any signs of damage around the window frame, such as peeling paint, soft wood, or cracks. These issues can allow moisture to seep in, potentially leading to more serious structural problems. Addressing these concerns promptly helps protect both your windows and your home. Sun exposure is another factor to consider, especially in sunny areas like Pasadena. While picture windows are designed to let in natural light, prolonged exposure can affect both the glass and surrounding materials. Consider using window treatments such as sheer curtains or UV protective films to reduce the impact of direct sunlight. This helps preserve your interior furnishings while also extending the life of your windows. Keeping the exterior area around your windows clean is equally important. Trim back nearby trees or shrubs to prevent branches from scratching the glass or dropping debris. This not only protects your windows but also ensures you maintain a clear and unobstructed view. Another often overlooked tip is to schedule periodic professional inspections. While routine cleaning and visual checks can catch many issues, a professional can identify hidden problems that may not be immediately visible. Regular inspections help ensure your picture windows continue to perform efficiently and safely over time. It's also important to be mindful of how you handle your windows during cleaning or maintenance. Avoid applying excessive pressure to the glass, as picture windows are large and can be more vulnerable to stress. Gentle care goes a long way in preserving their condition. Finally, consider the long-term benefits of maintaining your windows. Well-maintained picture windows not only enhance your home's appearance but also contribute to better energy efficiency and overall comfort. By taking a proactive approach, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your investment. In the end, maintaining your picture windows in Pasadena doesn't require complicated steps, just consistent care and attention. With regular cleaning, inspections, and a few preventative measures, you can enjoy clear views, improved comfort, and lasting performance for years to come.